Okay, so we continue the example 13. So before we continue, there's 2 amendments that you need to do. So the first thing is A. So the question is X. In the question is X times X minus 4. So please change it to negative. Put a negative X times X minus 4 or negative X square, right? So not X cubed. Huh? So here should be negative X cubed plus 4X, okay? So this one, the equation of the curve is negative X squared plus 4X. And for C is Y equals to X minus 2 square, right? So X minus 2 square, not X times X minus 3, right? So I copy paste wrongly. So please rectify it in your notes, okay? So now we can solve, right? So remember, okay, so this is, if you look at the curve, okay, this is curve above. So we are using this one. This is the equation of the curve. So y equal to x squared plus 4x. So, and then below is this straight line. So is y equal to x. So if we want to find the area of the shaded region, so what we do is we use the formula 0 to a, right? So you need to find what is this, right? So this is x, and then we use equation of the curve x squared plus 4x minus x dx. Okay, so actually we can find what is a by solving, by equaling this expression equal to 0, right? So never mind, we just put x0 later on, then you x squared plus 3x dx. So if you solve this equation, so x squared minus x squared plus 3x equal to 0. So you'll get x equal to 0 and 3. So therefore, x is 3 here. So I change this one to 3. Okay, so some of you may ask, teacher, why you know that we solve this negative x squared plus 3x equal to 0, I will get the value of x, because if we want to find coordinate a, right? So the y coordinate will be the same, right? It's actually x equals to negative x squared plus 4x. Okay, so if you solve this, is actually the same as negative x squared plus 3x equals to 0. See, it's the same. Okay, so you can do it like that also, or you can solve it separately also can, right? So then you can integrate. So is you get x cubed over 3, then plus 3 over 2 x squared. You integrate from 0 to 3. Okay, so you should be able to get negative 27 over 3 plus 27 over 2. Then that is your answer. So you should be able to get positive value, all right? So you check by your own, what is this answer? Then we go to B. B, there's left and right, right? So one is equation of the straight line. The other one is equation of the curve, right? So it's area under the straight line, okay, or area under bounded by the straight line and the x-axis. Okay, that is A. For B, is area under the curve and x-axis. So from 1 to 3. So this one is actually area of triangle, right? So if I know this is x is 1, then I know that y is also 1. So how I know? Because this, right, when x equal to 1, y also 1. So the coordinate A is 1, 1. So therefore, if I want to find the area, so it's actually from 0 to 1, x dx, okay, plus area from 1 to 3, 1 over x squared dx. So this one is actually same as 1 over 2, right? Times 1 times 1, right? Because the area of the triangle. Also, you can use this. And then this part, okay, before you integrate, you change it to x power negative 2. Okay, so here we get half, then plus. This one you get negative 1 over negative 1, right? So this one is 3 to 1 to 3. So 1 over 2 plus negative 1 over x from 1 to 3. So you will get half, okay, plus negative 1 over 3 plus 1, right? So you get your answer, that is 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So it should be 7 over 6, okay? So this one, maybe some of you will ask, why teacher, where do you get this? So this one is area of triangle. That is 1 over 2 times 1 times 1, right? So you get half. If you use integration, you get x squared over 2 from 0 to 1. Therefore, you also get 1 over 2 minus 0. You also get half, okay? So just show this. Where do you get this? Okay? Same method. So if you will see a rectangle, then you can use area of rectangle. Okay, then we go to C. C is, remember, C is the equation of the curve is x minus 2 square. So now the straight line is on top, and then the curve is below, right? So, but we need to find what is P and Q first. P, the x equal to 0, and then Q, we need to find this. Okay, so we need to solve. Therefore, is x plus 4 equals to x minus 2 square, right? So actually, you can substitute, you can do this first, and then you solve it, the expression equal to 0 also can, right? But now, to avoid confusion, we do it first here. So we can say this is y1 and y2. So y1 and y2, just to solve what is P and Q. So you get x plus 4 equals to x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so you move 4 and 4 cancel out. That means we get x squared minus 5x equals to 0. Therefore, x equal to 0 or 5. So here is 5 lah. Okay, therefore x is here is 5. Now I can find the area of the shaded region, right? So the area of the shaded region with A, so I use above minus below. Therefore, is x plus 4 minus x minus 2 square dx from 0 to 5, okay? So you will see this actually is same as this, right? So x, so never mind, we just expand it. So you get x squared plus 4x minus 4 dx. So we continue. So we'll get 0 to 5. Here is x plus 5x minus x squared dx. So if you integrate, you get 5x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 from 0 to 5. So you'll get your answer, right? So you find it yourself. So the answer should be positive, right? So let's check. Okay, integrate from x minus. So you get the answer is 125 over 6. Okay, 125 over 6. Okay, to solve this question, okay, so you can do it by yourself. So first thing you have to find what is A, so meaning that y1 equals to y2. Okay, sorry. So this y2, y1. So first thing, y1 equals to y2. Therefore, you get x times x minus 3 equals to 2x. You solve it, huh? So you get x squared minus 3x equals to 2x. Okay? So you can pause this video and then you can try to do. Okay? Okay, so you get this one also 5. Okay? So x equal to 0. So 5. Okay, you can stop the video and then you do it by yourself. Then later on you check your answer. Okay? So I want to find the area, this area. So it will be area become from 0 to 5. So is above is 2x minus x times x minus 3 dx. So 0 to 5, so you get 2x minus x squared plus 3x dx. So you get 0 to 5, 5x minus x squared dx. Okay, so you integrate, you get 5x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 from 0 to 5. So answer also the same as this. Okay, but now the equation is terbalik lah, like this. Okay, so 0 and 5. So, okay, you can try this question first. E and F yourself. Later on, you check the answers. Okay, so you pause it and then you do it by yourself. So, okay. Okay, so to solve this question, all right. So now is I want to find this area. So I need to use y, right? So I need to use this formula. Okay, from 1 to 3. Okay, so is x1 minus x2 dy. Okay, so 3, 1. So what is our x? So our x here will be y over 1 over 2. So what is our x here? X is 1. All right. So therefore, x1. So this is our x1. This is our x2. Okay, because above, this is above minus below. So above is x1. So y over y to the power half minus 1 dy. Okay, so you integrate. So you get 3 over 2 over 3 over 2. Okay. Okay, check your answer. Huh? So you get 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus y from 1 to 3. So you get 2 over 3 y 3 over 2 minus y from 1 to 3. So you substitute the value in. So 2 over 3, then you get 3 to the power 3 over 2 minus 3, then minus 2 over 3 minus 1. So you should be able to get your answer. Okay. So just in case, we just find the answer. So you get the answer in decimal 0.7974. Okay. Okay, to be correct. Okay, correct, huh? Okay, this is your answer, huh? And then for f, okay, so f is y equal to mx plus c. So c and m is not given, but we can find the equation of straight line from here. Okay, so c will be a y-intercept. So remember, this question didn't ask you to find what is c and m, but you have to find it yourself. So c is at, so what is m? Same m is using the formula negative y-intercept over x-intercept. So 8 over 4, so it's negative 2. So the equation is y equal to negative 2x plus 8. Okay, so now we can find the value of the area. Therefore, this is above, this is below, right? So we just use the formula. So the area is from 0 to 4, okay? And then it's 8 plus 2x minus x squared minus negative 2x plus 8 dx. All right. Okay, so actually this is the area of triangle. So you can use the formula also, 1 over 2 times 8 times 4. So you get 2 is 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 times x is 16, right? So later on you can check. Okay, so later on I will explain again. So here you get 4, 0, and then this one, if you simplify, okay, or you just solve this one, the area of the shaded region here, also can, but this one you use formula first. So 8 plus 2x, so you get 8 plus 4x, 2x plus 2x, 4x, and then minus 8, right? So you get plus, sorry. Okay. Get negative x squared minus 8 dx. Therefore, you get 4, 0 to 4, 8 and 8 cancel out. So it's 4x minus x squared dx. Okay. And then you can integrate. So you get 2x squared minus x cubed over 3 from 0 to 4. Okay. So if you substitute it, it will be 2 times 4 square minus 4 cube divided by 3, and then minus 0 lah, because when you substitute 0 in, you get 0. Okay, so the answer is should be 2 times 4 square minus 4 cube over 3. So it's 32 over 3. Okay. Okay, you can use other, that is, I use this from 0 to 4. I only do this part, and then I minus 16. That's 16 here. Okay, so we see whether the answer is correct or not. So we integrate, you get 8x plus x squared minus x cubed over 3 from 4 to 0. So you get 32 plus 16 minus 64 over 3, right? Then you minus 16. Okay, so here is minus 16, right? So 16 and 16 cancel out. So you get 32 minus 64 over 3. So 64, 3 times 2 is 6. 6, 1648. Right, let's check. Correct or not? Huh? Okay, so what? The arrow wrong. Okay, so it's 32 minus 64 over 3. So you should get 32 over 3 also. Okay, so the answer is the same. Okay, sorry, 96. So this one is 96 minus 64 over 3. So you get 32 over 3, right? So correct, huh? Okay, then we go to the next one, G and H. So before I do, you try to do by yourself first, okay? Right, try to do by yourself. So how to solve? Okay, so we are using the same formula, but now we are using the area between two curves. So we are using this formula actually. Okay, so fx minus gx, above minus below. Okay, so above minus below. Or you can use this one minus. Okay, which one is easier lah? Okay, so first thing you need to find what is the intersection point here. Okay, so the intersection point is x squared minus square root x equals to 0. How to solve? So this is x squared minus x to the power of 1 over 2 square. So how to solve this? Right? How to solve? Okay. All right. So how to solve this question? Okay. The first thing we need to pass this hurdle. How to get the value of x here? So you can see the value of x is almost 1, right? Okay. So 1, correct? Very simple. You see here 1, right? So when what minus 1 becomes 0. So of course it's 1. 1 square minus square root 1 is 1. So the value is x and 1. Okay. So this is 1 here. So I want to find the area of the shaded region. So I use above minus below, right? So area is from 0 to 1. So square root x minus x squared dx. Okay, so it's from 0 to 1, x 1 over 2 minus x squared dx. So you do it step by step, you will get the answer. So you get x3 over 2, 2 over 3 minus x cubed over 3. So from 1 to 0. Okay, so you can see it's 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. So the answer is 1 over 3. Okay. So how about this question? This question is very straightforward. So a minus b from -1 to 1 already given to you the range. So therefore it's -1 to 1, and then 4x cubed plus 15. So that is a, minus above and below is 3x squared minus 2, right? Dx. So you get -1 to 1, 4x cubed plus 15 minus 3x squared plus 2. Okay, so dx. Okay, then you integrate. Oh, not yet. So we simplify first. Okay, so this is -1 to 1. Then we simplify. So we integrate. So you get x to the power 4 minus x power 3 plus 17x from -1 to 1. So you get 1 minus 1 plus 17 minus -1, positive 1 plus 1 minus 17. Why? -1 square, 1 to the power 4 is 1, right? -1 to the power 3 is -1. So it's positive, positive. So you get your answer. Okay, 17 minus 2 minus 17. So you get the answer 32. All right, 32 for the area here. Okay, so hopefully you can get the answer. So do the practice 3.6 on page 104, and also formative exercise question 3 to question 5 on page 110. So on Thursday, we'll do volume, generated volume, right? And also problem solving. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, after you watch the video, later on you have to try 1 or 2 questions, right?